Hello my friends, hello diecast collectors. Today we will make a review on this beautiful Schuco Mercedes-Benz truck. We will assemble this truck and we will make a review for this truck. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, don't forget to press like, and don't forget to write comments, guys. Let's do it. So what do we have for review today? We have a wonderful Unimog U406 truck. This is Mercedes-Benz truck by Schuco or Schuco company. Wonderful box. This truck need to be assembled by yourself, and that's why I like it so much. My friend gives this truck to me for making a review about it. He say, make a review please on this truck, it's so wonderful. Okay, let's make a review. Let's start unboxing of this. We have assembling instruction here. We have a truck base here, wheels, screws, and the screwdriver, and the truck cabin also. Let's open it, let's open it. Uh-oh. Oh guys. Amazing set. This is the metal base of this wonderful truck. We can see an exhaust system here, fuel tank. It's so much detailed. It's a very detailed. Even we can see here tail lamps. The base is wonderful. Even the wheel discs are looking like a real wheel discs. Just look here, guys. Just look on these wheels. And it's heavy, it's really heavy. The cabin. Wonderful metal cabin. Oh, just look on these front lights. On headlamps. We can see here Unimog logo and Mercedes-Benz logo. A wonderful headlamps. They really look like a real headlamps on the real truck. Even the hood details, wine glass details. This is so wonderful. I never have something like this. This truck, it's so much detailed. It's so little, but it's look like a real cabin of the real truck. Amazing details. It's the front side. I think it should be here. Yep, it's on the right position. Then we place cabin here. Just look on this wonderful truck. Isn't it beautiful? Please write in the comments, guys. So amazing, so beautiful. We need to put a screw here. So little screwdrivers here. So little screws here. So the cabin is on its place. They are so little. I love to adjust cars by myself. It's so interesting. Wow. It's so realistic. It looks really like a little real truck. Even I can imagine that I sit on this truck and try to drive it. Wonderful. This truck doesn't have a suspension. A wonderful soft rubber wheels. It isn't very fast, but it's funny to play with it. Because of the rubber tires, it can't do a drift. Look here. drift isn't so good as on the plastic wheels. For example, on this bus, woo, you can see a great drift here, but we can't do something like this on this truck because of the rubber wheels. Hop, that's all what we can do. Let's place this metal part into the truck. It's really, really, very soft. It's not soft. This is soft. Wonderful. Isn't it beautiful? Just look on these details. This company Schuco, they made some of the best detailed diecast cars in the world, I think. On this little model, so many details. It's very, very wonderful. Of course, at the end, I forget important detail for this truck. We have also this wonderful case cover for the back side of the truck. We need to put it here. That's how this truck should look like. I almost forget about this detail at the end. It's so funny. I almost forget about this wonderful detail. This truck looking wonderful. So amazing, so beautiful truck. So heavy, little and so much detail. I hope you like this car as I like it. It's so wonderful, it's so beautiful truck. Don't forget to press like, write a comments about this review, and please subscribe to the channel if you're still not subscribed. Bye bye, see you later. It was a WheelsHot channel and it was assembling of Mercedes-Benz Unimog truck. It's so wonderful, so beautiful. I so love it. Bye bye, see you later. Have a nice day.